Hey guys, what is up? Today we are playing Bionic Chainsaw Pogo Gorilla. So, one question, how are you guys today? I need to turn it down. New game. Once upon a time, there's a happy gorilla living the good life in the jungle. Then one day, an evil corporation captured the gorilla and took him far away from his home. Turns out the corporation made a wide variety of products that they tested on animals, and today they were testing out their new lines of chainsaws and pogo sticks. No! So first they did was remove the arms and legs of the poor gorilla. Then they gave him chainsaw arms and a pogo stick to replace his legs, and they were all hardwired to some fancy superhuman computer electronics inside his body. Those scientists weren't all bright, however, because of the gorilla quickly became aware of his new superpowers. He escaped the cage of man in the lab way underground where they were holding him captive. This way he then became killing everything in his way. Sorry if I sound sick. Okay, let's see. My friend said this game was hard. Whoa. Woo! Okay, let's do this. Okay. Yeah, die! Okay, let's do this. Prepared for battle. So, you managed to break out of your cage. Huh, stupid gorilla. I am Big Boss. I am your master, and you will obey. You will never make it through the lab. Sure about that? Sure? You sure? You sure? You sure, bro? Sure I can't make it through? Pretty sure I can. Die, loser. Die! Some enemies. Okay, so basically it's just power up. I'm invincible! You can't tame me! La 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 la. No. Dang. Oh, Jesus. Jesus Christ. Ew. Yes. Yummy. La, la, la. Yeah. Get over here. Get over here. Oh, no. Okay. Yeah. What's that noise? Wee. Ooh. Oh. Okay. What the? No! What the? Um, I guess, no. No! I'm so bad. It's harder than it looks, okay, people? I just want to get over here. No! Don't tell me. No. Yeah. Man, I suck. Don't care, don't care, I don't care. See ya. Sup, losers. Okay, I can do it. Woo. Ooh. Have a book and a machete. Don't judge me. I have the power of books. Die! Dang it. Okay. Oh, that's okay. I look totes fabulous. No, no, what the, wee! That does damage. I don't like things that do damage. Whoa. Sorry if you hear that. Die, losers! Okay, let's do this. No, what? Don't tell me. No. Oh. Please tell me if I die here. I'm gonna lose, yeah. You know what? No, what? Well, guys, this looks like a good saving point, so see you next time.